Welcome to Auto Show. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Watch Series 11, covering the basics to help you get started.
Step 1. Press and hold the side button to turn on your Apple Watch. Step 2. Bring your iPhone close and tap Continue when the pairing screen appears. Step 3. Follow on-screen instructions to pair and set up your watch. Step 4. Choose your Apple ID, settings and passcode during setup. Step 5. Swipe up, down, left, or right on the screen to navigate apps and widgets. Step 6. Press the digital crown to open the app menu or return to the home screen. Step 7. Press the side button to access the dock. Recent apps. Step 8. Open the Watch app on iPhone to customize watch faces, notifications, and health features. Step 9. Use workout, heart rate, sleep, and fitness apps to track your health. Step 10. Charge daily by attaching the magnetic charger to the back of the watch.